Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video from World Linguistics. My name is Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you present tense verbs in Spanish. How are verbs conjugated in Spanish? Verbs are conjugated by matching their pronouns. There are 6 major pronouns in Spanish, including yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros and nosotras, ellos and ellas, and ustedes. Conjugations must match the pronouns in order to make sense. Hablar means to speak. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella, usted habla, hablamos, and hablan. Beber means to drink. Yo bebo, tú bebes, él, ella, usted bebe, nosotras, nosotros bebemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes beben. Correr means to run. Yo corro, tú corres, él, ella, usted corre, nosotras, nosotras corremos, and ellos, ellas, ustedes corren.